All right, y'all, today I'm gonna be showing you how to put the track back on an AGT industrial mini skid steer. So this track fell off while I was moving the wood pile in. So I'm gonna show you how to put that back on. Things you're gonna need: impact, jack. You can lift the front up with the, well, you know, the bucket. All right, so get your impact, 17 millimeter. I do not know what that is in standard, and take it off. Okay, that's one bolt, and now there's one on the back side too. So hopefully we can get back there with this big old impact. And yes, we can. So you can get in there with a bigger impact. Okay, then what you're gonna wanna do is scratch your head, because mosquitoes won't leave you alone, and take this out. It should pull straight up, unless the track's still somewhat stuck on it. Here's the wheel. As you can see, it has grooves in there, so keep that in mind. There's a little flat piece here. So now that the track is off, this gives us enough maneuverability to put it back on. So what you're gonna do is fall over and almost hit land on the camera. Just pull this out. And there we go, that's back on. Then you go back over here. Make sure there's no dirt in there. Line the track up, make sure it's on this one, and put this back in. Let me pause. All right, and once you get those bolts back in, now they're kind of finicky. There's a little gap there, so you have to pull them back. So that's gonna be decided on your location and level, so you'll have to figure it out yourself. Oh, and get a flat tip. And then give it some ugga-duggas. That should be enough ugga-duggas. Now, the track's pretty loose, and here's how you tighten the track after it has fallen off and come loose. So take these two bolts out. They are 9/16 or 14 millimeter. See this? There's a bolt right here and one back there. Okay, so that big bolt right there is so you loosen that, take your 5/8 and you tighten. Oh my gosh, why is it's so hard to record? And you tighten this up. You try to tighten this up. Maybe you tighten this up. There's so little room. You can actually physically see the track getting tighter. And make sure you keep flipping your wrench around, or else you're not gonna be able to tighten this at all. So yeah, it pushes this forward. Let me see if I can catch that. Is that gonna be visible on camera? Barely. Okay, it's still very loose. But yeah, that's just how you tighten it up. And then you just tighten it all the way down, retighten this bolt, and you're good. All right, thanks for watching.